Alright everyone, we're running a new 4K at 24 frames per second, which we don't typically do. And so this is an orchestrational update that we're going to get into for live print, but a little bit of Goddard dynamics, and we have a little separation as well with this implementation. Just because we don't want anyone to be hyper defensive and jump to weird conclusions. But it's more of a structured growth hormone that is like a structured, but we don't want to say the word steroid at this point, but there's different prolactins and in different areas and different esters that are influenceable, that is sort of like a modified SARMs with the GH kick, without the, hopefully to mitigate the offset of any effects with activity in life. If they have an active life style, they're harder on the body, they need that extra bit for their muscles to actually gain and grow. Structured with weightlifting and different intense cardio activity. There is a vicarity to it, but others that aren't. It's more of a completion, but we do declared intent. Just basically looks like a growth hormone, yeah, and just balancing just at different physicalities that we grow into and we adapt our body into in time, from everything from fighting life to fighting war. Our bodies get hurt. So on our first live print wants to help. Apologize for any crossover and everything like that, and company dynamic with Joshua J. Goddard multilateral. There is some inadvertent trickle down leak through because of the multi-eclectic dynamic range of eclecticness of Goddard dynamics. But it is a blueprint, thumbprint of me to perfection. And also, I would like to add, I just came up with a new principality that is perfection, that adds and changes differently, but more robust too. Cause and effect Newtonian physics. Then we also have the butterfly effect, but there's also the popcorn effect, or also known and can be known in brackets, we can put paradox there as well. Because as we observe and as we're listening and free flux of forward into the past. So in all of these areas, that corn that landed there pops, but our observation there is going to give us more of a popcorn effect. But the space-time paradox of it is they're all paradoxes of themselves, proving of unified time-space, but of record of all, proving perfect symmetry of